Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Mr. How English. Today's lesson is not only about English, it is about you, your power, your confidence, and your mindset. Change your mindset, change your English. If you truly understand today's message, your English will never be the same again. So, let's begin. Mindset means the way you think. Many learners say, English is too hard. I can't speak. I make too many mistakes. But remember this. Your brain believes the words you say to yourself. If you think English is difficult, your brain stops trying. But if you say, I can learn, slowly, step by step, your brain opens the door. 2. Change one sentence, change everything. I want you to do something simple. Change this sentence. My English is bad. My English is growing. Changing just one sentence can change your whole journey. Because mindset is like water. It flows where you guide it. 3. A small emotional story. Let me tell you a real story. A 45-year-old learner once told me, I am too old. I can't learn English now. He felt weak, shy, afraid. But one day, he told himself, I will try for 10 minutes every day. Just a small mindset change. And guess what? 3 months later, he sent me a voice note. His English was simple, but it was strong. It was confident. Not because he studied for hours, but because he changed the way he thought. Let's replace some negative thoughts together. I make mistakes. Mistakes help me grow. My accent is not good. My accent shows my identity. People will laugh at me. Speaking English is courage. Every time you replace a negative thought, you become stronger than yesterday. Remember, you don't need to study for 2 hours. Even 10 minutes a day can change your English if your mindset is positive. Listen while walking. Repeat phrases while cooking. Watch English while eating. Think in English while waiting. Small actions, big results. This mindset shift is powerful. Stop translating everything. Start thinking in small English sentences. I am walking. I am cooking. I am waiting. I am happy. Your brain becomes faster and stronger every time you think in English. Please remember this. Learning English is not a race. You don't have to be perfect. You only have to be consistent. Some days you learn fast. Some days you learn slow. Both are okay. What matters is that you don't stop. You are growing. You are learning. You are becoming better every single day. Wrap up. Let's review today's powerful points. Change your mindset. Change your English. Use positive thoughts. Replace negative sentences. Practice a little every day. Believe in your journey. And now my question for you. What is one negative thought you want to change today? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching Mr. How English. Remember, you are stronger than your doubts, and your English is better than you think. See you next time.